students. Today I am going to continue the chapter Agriculture. In previous video I explained you about rice, wheat, maize, millet, pulses. I explained you about the geographical condition of these food crops. Rice, what is the geographical condition of rice? Rich fertile alluvial soil of the plains or delta, uniformly high temperature ranging between 25 degrees Celsius and 35 degrees Celsius, annual rainfall of 100 to 200 centimeter, standing water required during the period of growth. Rice is mainly grown in the plains of northern and northeastern India, coastal plains and delta regions. Development of canals and tube well irrigation have made it possible to grow rice even in the area of low rainfall like Punjab, Haryana, Western Uttar Pradesh and parts of Rajasthan. Wheat is the second most important staple food for India. Now, what its geographical condition? Wheat cultivation requires fertile silt or clay loam soils high in humus and mineral contents are the best suited for wheat cultivation. An annual rainfall of 50 to 75 centimeter is best suited to wheat cultivation. In the early stages, wheat requires a fair amount of moisture with cool weather followed by sunny weather. Wheat is generally sown during early winter months and harvested during the dry summer months in the subtropical regions. It is a rabi crop. Wheat producing states in India are Haryana, Punjab, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Maharashtra and Madhya Pradesh. Then maize. Maize is the food for the people living in USA, Central and South America and parts of Southeast Europe. In other countries, it is used as fodder and in the manufacture of alcohol, glucose, starch, etc. Maize grows best in humid subtropical climate. A good maize crop requires the climatic condition, a long period of warm summer between 21 degrees Celsius and 27 degrees Celsius, 50 to 100 centimeter of rainfall, a growing season of almost 5 to 6 months. It is a kharif crop. It grows well in old alluvial soil. Millets, ragi, jowar and bajra are collectively called chorus grains or millets. They are grown where rainfall is not good. Bajra can grow in dry areas, whereas jowar and ragi need some moisture. Bajra requires a short period of 3 months to ripen. Pulses. Besides cereals, pulses form another item of food grains. They are the major source of protein in the vegetarian diet. They are grown all over the country except in areas of heavy rainfall. Now, today I am going to explain you about food crops other than grains, that is sugarcane. This is a tropical and subtropical annual plantation crop which requires a hot and humid climate for growth with temperature between 21 degrees Celsius to 27 degrees Celsius and annual rainfall between 75 centimeter and 100 centimeter. Irrigation is required in the region of low rainfall. It can be grown on variety of soils as long as they are fertile and well drained. Manual labor for sowing to harvesting is required for sugarcane. India is the second largest producer of this crop in the world after Brazil. Sugarcane is the raw material used for manufacture of sugar, good, that is jaggery and khansari. The major sugarcane producing states are Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Bihar, Punjab and Haryana. Now, oilseeds. In 2008, India was the second largest producer of groundnut in the world after China. In the production of rapeseed, India was the third largest producer in the world after Canada and China in 2008. Many varieties of oilseeds are grown on about 12% cropped area of the country. The major oilseeds produced are groundnut, mustard, coconut, sesame, that is till, soybean, castor seeds and sunflower. Most of these are edible and their extracted oil is used as a medium of cooking. Some of these are used as raw material in the production of soap, cosmetic and ornaments cream. Groundnut is the major oilseed produced and is a kharif crop. Gujarat is the largest producer of groundnut, followed by Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu in 2011-12. While linseed and mustard are rabi crops, sesame is a kharif crop in North India and rabi crop in South India. Castor is both a rabi and kharif crop. Now, tea. plantation crop. This beverage crop was introduced in India by the British almost 200 years ago. Now, most of the tea plantations are owned by Indians. Now, what is beverage crop? Crop which is used to make pleasurable drinking liquid. Tea is a bush plant. Requires a tropical or subtropical climate along with deep and fertile, well-drained soil rich in humus and organic matter. Tea bushes require warm and moist, frost-free climate all through the year. Frequent showers, evenly distributed over the years, are necessary condition for the growth of tender leaves. Tea is a labor-intensive industry which requires huge amount of labor. The plucked leaves are processed within the tea garden to maintain their freshness. Major tea producing regions of India are Assam, hills of Darjeeling, Tamil Nadu and Kerala. Tea is also cultivated in Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Meghalaya, Andhra Pradesh and Tripura. In 2008, India was the third largest producer of tea after China and Turkey. Now, coffee. In 2008, India produced 3.2% of the world's coffee production. Karnataka is the major producer of this plantation crop, of which the beans are crushed to give the beverage to its distinctive flavor. The Arabica variety, initially brought from Yemen, is produced in India. This is known for its good quality and has great demand all over the world. Its cultivation was introduced in India on the Baba Budavan Hills, and today it is confined only to Nilgiri Hills in Karnataka, Kerala and Tamil Nadu. Now, horticulture crops. These comprises both fruits and vegetables. And India is the second largest producer of these in the world. India produces about 13% of the world's vegetable. Important vegetables produced in India are pea, cauliflower, cabbage, tomato, brinjal and potato. Vegetables usually require less time for growth. They can be grown in the Zat season in alternation with cereal grown in Rabi or Kharif seasons. Most of the fruits like banana, oranges, apples, etc. are plantation crops. India produces both tropical as well as temperate fruits. Now you have to write question and answers in your fair copy. Describe the importance of oilseeds. Describe the geographical conditions required for the growth of sugarcane. Describe the geographical conditions required for the growth of tea.